I honestly think that these my gray hairs have a secret agenda. If not, please tell me, why are they all in front like a billboard announcing my age? It's really been a struggle finding a product that can tackle these stubborn gray hairs without messing up with the texture and quality of my 4C hair. But guys, it looks like I have found something, and in this video I am going to be putting it to a test. If you're as curious as I am, then you want to stick around to the end because it looks like we found a solution. Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Onyi Anekwe. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Herbishh Hair Color Shampoo. This is not your regular shampoo. It's a 3-in-1 formula that cleanses your hair, covers those stubborn gray hairs, and leaves your hair feeling really soft and shiny. The best part about this thing is that it doesn't have any ammonia. This got me really excited because I know that I don't have to worry about the harsh chemicals or damage to my hair. This product also came with a hair mask. The hair mask is specially formulated for colored hair to help lock in the color and prevent fading. It also contains argan oil and UV filters to protect hair from damage. I'm going to tell you more about this product and what it contains, but right now I'm so excited to unbox it. Yay! So it comes in this wrap, and if you're concerned about getting the fake, I'm going to drop a link for you to shop this product in the description. Shop this product with my code and I get a little something. Thanks for being awesome. There are different variants to this product for different hair concerns. So I personally picked out the colored shampoo because I've been struggling with my gray hairs. The colored shampoo comes not only in black, but in other colors like dark brown, golden brown, and several other colors. You want to check them out in their website. This shampoo also contains a little something in there for you, and that is the hair mask in sachet form. This just helps to lock in that color and keep your hair soft and shiny. It contains argan oil. Also, in the package, you have this leaflet that has a QR code. Once you scan the QR code, it takes you to the website. If you're thinking to yourself, Onyi, how can I get this product? I don't want to buy the fake. I'm going to drop a link to get this product in the description of this video. Also, once you see that QR code and you're able to scan it and get onto the company website, then you know that that's the original one you bought. This shampoo comes with hand gloves inside of it, and as you can see, I am super excited to try this out. So this product is a 3-in-1. It has shampoo, conditioner, as well as the color. That's the lid. You open it from there, and I'm going to put 3 squirts of the shampoo onto my palm. That's what it looks like. You see the shampoo on one side and the color on the other side. So you need to thoroughly mix it on your palm and then gently apply onto your hair. As you can see, I am starting from the front because, man, that is where all the gray hairs are settled. Then you want to gently massage it onto your hair, onto the tips, and every other place where you want to color. I really love how easy it is to use this shampoo. You don't have to struggle with mixing up anything. It's more like all the mixing has been done for you. You just put on your gloves, squirt into your palm, rub it together, and voila. So easy. I am happy with the application so far. So you need about 15 to 20 minutes, but I'm choosing to give it 20 minutes. You can do the same if you have stubborn gray hairs. 20 minutes is over, and this is me rinsing out my hair. You want to rinse it thoroughly to get out all the color, and then once I'm done, I go ahead to apply the hair mask. And one thing I noticed is that as soon as I put this hair mask on my hair, it kind of softened the hair. You know this kind of effect you get when you use a leave-in conditioner? That's the effect I got when I use this hair. So this is me just detangling it with my hands, and then I go on to rinse out what is left. And guys, I am so happy to see the outcome. Drum roll please. It's time for the big reveal, and wow, look at this. My hair looks so vibrant and healthy. I am loving how soft and shiny it feels at the moment. Also, I can see that there are no grays anywhere. So what do you think, guys? Do you think that this did a good job? As far as I know, I am happy with the outcome. This is not just for women, so men can use this as well. If you've been struggling with gray hairs, girl, guy, you don't want to sleep on this product. I'm going to drop the link in the description. Let me know when you try it. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.